Hey there, YouTube. Welcome to my Beard Wisdom. So, back on the Gambler again, and today's the big day. We finally had nice weather and a weekend that I can finally start the detailing on the Gambler, which is a 2003 Acura TL Type S. And it's one of those things where this was a previous smoker car, probably a previous mechanic's car, so it's a little dirty. And for me, I really like Armor All, so I'm kind of doing this review more or less on Armor All cleaning wipes. Now, I'm a big fan of the Armor All cleaning wipes, not so much a big fan of the protectant stuff. The protectant, I think, can be a little bit over shiny sometimes, and all kind of depends. But at least the cleaning wipes, I know, is relatively safe for most surfaces, and I haven't had any kind of issues where maybe I've cleaned something up, and then there was some type of hazing or cracking or deterioration of the plastic or the paint or the leather or anything like that afterwards. So I do kind of like these. They're pretty simple, and one of the big things I want to do real quick is kind of show you how well it cleans this little armrest. What I'll do is I'll probably try and clean about half of it, that way you can see how well it wipes it down. But meanwhile, I also going to wipe down everything else in the car today. I'm going to try and get whatever this is on the steering wheel off. Hopefully that comes off. And I'll probably try and wipe down a couple other little burn spots just to see how it works on like some fabric areas. But otherwise, let's get to cleaning. Scrub-a-dub-dub. And then this is like a leather material right here. So you can see that one pretty quick. Got a lot of gunk off. In like the fine grain stuff, there's still some stuff there, in which case you're going to want to sit and work a little bit harder on it. You can see that came out pretty good. Once it dries a little bit more, you'll see that it's going to be one little bit more of a solid color. But this back side that we went over real quick is way better than that front side. And if you buy a big roll of this, kind of like this, don't be afraid of going, trying to make this last as long as you can, because sometimes it's one of those things where you're better off just going, okay, time for a new wipe. This little bit that we did so far, it's got this wipe pretty nasty. So I'm probably going to go through maybe that entire tub wiping this whole car down. But in the end, I'm going to get a much nicer, cleaner interior. But man, it's really going to be gross when I start tackling this area up here. Alright, so this is way cleaner than it was before. I got the back side wiped down. This side's all wiped down, and you can see the difference in the clean plastic and the versus like the unwiped down plastic. So doing pretty good so far. Same thing with this side, nice and clean, still dirty. But I went through these little compartments, cleaned this one out. This is a nice felt, so wipe this down with the same cleaning wipes. Everything's fine in here. Wipe this out pretty good too, so that's nice and clean. Was starting to work on the cup holder. Got that relatively clean when I noticed that this pops up, and holy crap. Oh, the little trapdoor areas that you gotta clean, super gross. But we'll just ignore that for now. You can see this is all nice and wiped down. Otherwise it would look ashy and gross like that. So far, I've gone through quite the little stack of rags, cleaning just this small little area. So you can definitely see where you get a bigger container, one of these, you're going to be better off, especially if you're trying to get it really, really clean. So now to try and tackle whatever this stuff is. I'm not sure what it is exactly. So this might be some type of like hand lotion thing. It might be something else. But it wouldn't even scratch off with my fingernail. But looks like a couple good wipes. That's off with the Armor All stuff. So yeah, that's kind of gross. Maybe it was some sort of like, I don't know if people hold a cigarette there. Maybe that's the tar from cigarettes or something. But that's all nice and clean. What's really going to be interesting is the more I clean on the steering wheel, is probably going to dictate as to how much I've got to clean the entire steering wheel. Because I'm willing to bet this is probably going to be pretty gross and then turn out to be a much lighter color as I keep cleaning. This is the clean side. This is the dirty side. You can kind of see it brought back a little bit of the coloring over here. Whereas this is still kind of darked out. So it's kind of one of those things where it's like, I don't know if it looked better dirty, or if it looks better now that it's cleaned, or with this actually being like a leather wheel, if I need to actually take a leather cleaner to it to make sure it's okay. Steering wheel cover and stuff came out decent. You can still kind of see I cleaned about this side of it. So this part here where it's dirty and kind of brownish, that's the unclean part. But I wiped down the buttons and stuff. They were okay. It didn't take any of the paint off. Same thing with over here. So those are all good. A lot of times as you go through life as a car, people keep touching stuff and it wears off. And sometimes that's really susceptible to you coming through with a cleaner and just taking it clear off. Whew, even this is gross. So I'm assuming this is from having a cigarette in your hand and reaching for sunglasses or something like that. So let's start on the really gross side. And I'm okay with getting a little bit on the headliner and stuff, because sometimes you can even kind of clean that off a little too. And you can really, that was pretty gross. You can see how much just the little bubbles and stuff like that that are forming on there are tan colored. So it's getting all this smoke stuff off too. So you can kind of see how much cleaner that is already. So that's all nice and clean now. But so far so good. We've got a passenger side footwell full of dirty rags. I'll probably do a final shot of everything kind of cleaned up and all finished, wiped down. So all the smudges and funky stuff, the weird dark line on the door maybe, the dirtiness just in general, should all be kind of cleaned up. I'll do a quick, once through, kind of look everything over one last time. That way you can compare it to this before and finished. You can kind of see I was able to get like the door body seal mark off the doors. Door panels are way cleaner. Steering wheel fully wiped down, looks pretty good too. Inside's all done. In the front, everything's all wiped down really good. Everything's nice and clean. That door panel came out pretty good too. The only issue is that I used up all of that. So doing the door panels, the dash, steering wheel, the kick panel, glove box, center console, the shifter stuff pretty good, and the driver's door panel, I pretty much used up that entire thing. So I still have grab handles to do, rear door panels, plastic stuff in the back, and like the lower trim things. So I definitely didn't do the gas thing there either. So definitely gonna go up, buy another one and keep cleaning. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to like and subscribe. I'll check you next time.